Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest team's called Grunt. And it's 3:34 a.m. I don't know why I'm still awake doing this. But guys, I just realized something. You can actually see the rewards of these Diamond perks. Let me just claim my Grappler level 4. And guys, Aqua Jet Gear level 1. You can actually see them here. Aqua Jet Gear level 3. That's a super rare summon gear, guys. That is, if I'm not mistaken, that is an Empoleon. That should be an Empoleon. And I just checked Reddit. You can now upgrade your Aqua Jet Gear level 3 to level 5 if you already have Aqua Jet. But I don't have Aqua Jet, and Aqua Jet level 1 will be helpful. 4,000 Poké Diamonds though. Crazy. Unless 4,000 is the rare and level 3 7,000 is the super rare. That's kind of crazy amount to spend. I am not sure we are going to do that. 7,000 gems, guys, is equivalent to how much? Is equivalent to 70 US dollars. 70 is 70 times 5, 3,500 pesos. That is insanely expensive as heck. Like, what the heck? Are you willing to spend that much? Anyway, guys, I'm just going to do Super Bosses 1 to 5 and call it a day because it's late and I need to sleep. Nope, let's just, yeah, mistake. Let's just discard these 6 and onto a battle, and we can finally sleep after this. I'll upload a video and probably post it tomorrow when I wake up or something like that. Catch 3 or more kinds of Pokemon in this area. We're gonna use a Pokemon from this island. Let's just switch to Horsey and give Horsey Power Gear or something of that sort. Let's just give him a Water Move Plus and Water type Summon Gear. Nah, let's just give him an Outrage Gear. And guys, this is Super Bosses 1 to 5. Kanto Female Small Lightweight. Here we go. Cubone. Let's just hit him once. And another. And he's dead. Good job. We're moving on to Super Boss number 2. Nidorina. Nidorina. Nidorina recommended gears Volt Tackle Gear. And is weak to ground, weak to psychic, weak to ground and psychic. Do I have a ground or a psychic move? No, I don't. Let's just give him a Psycho Cut Gear or Stored Power Gear. Switch and battle. We're gonna rely on our summon gear to deal the super effective damage. Do not kill Nidorina. And die. And there you have it, guys. That was Super Boss number 2. Moving on. Graveler is Super Boss number 3. Weak to water, weak to ground. We can use our Pokemon. Stay here. And battle. Graveler, guys. How dare you? There you have it. Super Boss number 4, second to the last for this video, and I can finally sleep. Nidorino. Nidorino. Weak to stored power. Poison Pin Pokemon. Goodbye, Nidorino. Last Super Boss. Pikachu. 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 Let's see. Let's just switch to a ground type summon gear, guys. Kill him with ground. Char, char. Goodbye. That's a wrap, guys. That's a wrap, guys. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. Guys, I will sleep. I will go to bed. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching.